Before installing the rings, we clean the piston with sandpaper. I clean it with fine-grained sandpaper P320. I insert a rag into the oil sump to prevent foreign objects from getting inside. I use an old ring to clean the connectors for the rings, remove carbon deposits and dirt. We degrease the piston with a solvent. First of all, I install the oil scraper ring, this thick ribbed ring. We carefully start it up. We put the gap on top. Next, install the remaining 2 thin oil scraper rings. We install gaps on the sides. One ring is eaten. Now we install the second ring with gaps in the opposite direction. The oil scraper rings are on. Now install 2 compression rings. The second ring is light brown. Install so that the gap is at the bottom. Install the brown ring on the topmost connector. The rings are on. We check that the gaps are in opposite directions from each other. The gaps from each other should be at an angle of 45 degrees. Now we remove the rags from the crankcase. Thank you all for your attention. Like and subscribe to the channel.